All right, today we have wireless mini mics. Here's what comes in the box. We got two deck cat for the wireless mics, USB type A to USB type C connections. We got 3 clips to clip your mics to your clothes or whatever you're gonna have them. We have the 2 mics, pretty small. You can see here they are USB type C. You can charge them. Takes 6 hours to charge them. The wind muff comes with them, so you can have these to filter the noise. They have a power button back here. This is where you turn it on and have them linked to your phone. It's plug and play, and then you get the adapter here. It has the iPhone connection and the USB-C connection. And then you have a light here. It will let you know when it's connected. So it will turn green, and then the lights in the mics will turn green. If you're not linked, then you'll see it that it's blinking. Once we put it on the phone, then it will link, and then you just plug and play, plug it. You don't have to put on your Bluetooth. It's not Bluetooth or anything like that. You just plug it and you're ready to go. It has 3 different modes. It has reverb. So this has 3 modes. This, the regular sound, it has reverb, and it has mute. I'm gonna show you reverb. Now we on reverb, so you press the button 3 times, the power button, and then now we on reverb. Press it again. Now we're gonna go mute. It enhances your voice really good. You can use it for blogging. You can use it for live streaming. You can use it for podcasts. You can use it for interviews, YouTube, all that. You can use this. It's small. You can put them in your pocket, the whole thing, the whole setup. Put it in your pocket and you're ready to go. If you do interviews, all you need is this, your phone, and the deck cat, just in case it's windy. You switch them, and then you're ready to go. You just slip this in there, and then you can go outside and use them knowing that you're not gonna pick up wind. So you slip the deck cat on top, and then you're ready to go outside, and the wind will not mess with your microphone. It has the little clips on the back. All you do is from the bottom to the top, and now you're ready to go. You just clip it, and then let's just compare it to the ones I have right now. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put the mini mics and see the difference. All right, so we switch mics. This is the audio from the little mini mics. How it's sounding. It was easy to set up. I just plugged it. This was on already, so as soon as I plugged it, it just linked automatically. I didn't have to wait nothing. No 1 millisecond, it was already linked. So definitely connected fast. It gives you 6 hours after charge of use, and then it will take an hour to charge them. To charge them, you just put them on a USB cable right here. Comes with it, and then you can just charge the mics. So it should give you 6 hours. How's the sound? Hope it's better than the one I had, because I can't hear it right now, but we'll find out. To reach the reverb sound, just press the button 3 times in the back, the power button, and now you see the little light blinking, and now I'm on reverb. So I should have reverb on my mic right now. Let's switch it so you hear me. So that's how it works. Hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.